So it's University Blue 14 release day. Y'all been woofing on them. Y'all been calling them Ashy 14s. And from the pictures of them, they do look a bit ashy, but I say it's a handsome shoe. And your boy hit on Champs for in-store pickup for a size 10 because I like them, bro. $205, which is not a bad price based off of all the releases we've had so far. And to me, like, I truly believe it's a handsome shoe. Sure, they're a little bit ashy, but there's something you could do about that. All you have to do is put on some mink oil on the shoe, and that'll save it up a little bit, bruh. They could have just made them jet matte black for us, but it is what it is. I ain't complaining. Luckily, I just ordered some mink oil from Amazon and it touched down. I've already done my Laker 4s and my Aqua 8s because those are some ashy shoes that I could think of so far. I did my Ferrari 14s. They're a bit ashy. And I also need to do my Black Cat 4s, but we'll get to that later. Right now, I'm on my way to a mall, not my local mall. I gotta drive a little bit, but it's not too far, about 7 miles away. And we gonna head to the mall and we gonna go over them University 14s. We'll also get a look to see what's going on in the mall, if people tripping on them or if there are a lot left. So stay tuned, y'all.
Turn out to go see my bedroom, I'm on the way with the coach. Okay, nigga, if you really know that bitch didn't post her, you mad at me, I hit it one time, then I ghosted. Look at every problem with my brothers, I'm in Doja. The flow that potion, I'm in and out of focus, I'm out here.
I usually don't come to this mall, but this is where I hit at, and it's not that far, so here we are. All right, so we made it. We gotta see what's going on. We're kind of dry in the mall right now, but it is what it is. On our way to Champs. You gonna see what it do. All right, so we heading in there. It's dry in there, but we gonna get our sneakers. We done got the shoe secure from Champs, and they were remodeling in that Champs store, so I guess they about to make a bigger location in there. So it was really a hole in the wall, little temporary store. So yeah, man, I don't even feel like it was worth showing y'all because they're not having all their stuff out until they open up their new store. And plus, I'm kind of in the trenches today for this pickup, bro. You know what I'm saying? So you got to stick and move, partner. Stick and move. That's how it be in the trenches. You can't be staying around for too long or something bad might happen. That's just how it go. But yeah, we got the Jordan 14s right here, and we will go over it when I get to the house. But you know, I got to give you a in the car look already. Here they are. Them, I see why y'all call them the ashy motherfuckers. This pair is not that ashy. They're a little bit ashy. But what do y'all do when y'all ashy? Let me ask y'all that. What do y'all do when y'all ashy? Y'all slap on some lotion, right? So that's all we gotta do to these motherfuckers, and they'll be him. You just gotta slap on some lotion, aka mink oil, and they gonna be sitchy. That's all you gotta do, bro. That's all you gotta do. But yeah, here are the Jordan 14 University Blues, the first look. But we gonna go over it when I get to the hut.
So gifted, I'm the type that's gon' go get it, no kidding. Breaking down the switch in front of no feelings. Sitting on the steps, feeling no feelings. Last night it was a cold killer. Gotta keep the devil in his hole, nigga.
We made it back to the crib, and the first thing I gotta do is Jesus Christ. Them shits is ashy, bro. Jesus. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all was right about that, bro. And yeah, man, this is actually my second coat of mink oil because these shits are ashy as a motherfucker, bro. Y'all wasn't lying, but these are still a top tier release to me. I still like these amongst the ashiness because I had that mink oil here, knowing that I had that, and yeah, but that ain't the only problem that we have, y'all. If you look closely, they did a bad, like, the factories, they did a bad job on the, like, the glue. The glue is all over the place, bro. Like, damn, that's crazy as hell. And yeah, man, I guess we can't really complain for $205. We can complain though because we spent our money on this, and these are, they could have done better with the they fire though. They still fire nevertheless. We gonna see how these look when they dry up from the second coat that I put on them, but man, I guess, like, I don't know what to say. I have mixed feelings about these Jordans because in all reality they still look good to me. It just felt like Nike or Jordan brand was lazy about stuff, and they didn't care about the gluing, the suede. We could have got a jet black suede. That would have made these a 10 out of 10 easily. But yeah, man, here I am. I still got these. Had to go to Champs and get these because they look pretty good. Even with all that said, bro. Feel me? And I am a good fan of 14s. My 14s are looking a little bit better since I sprayed them up though. I doubled down and sprayed them 2 times, but it shouldn't even take all that, bro. They gotta be better on this for us. I've been looking online, sizes are starting to go. I was on Sheiks.com, and last they only had like 8 through 10. So I mean, they're definitely still going. So we'll see. I feel that people are gonna still buy these because that 205 is not that much. So I know a lot of y'all just got y'all tax money and y'all finna get them. But y'all gonna be mad about the ashiness and just the inconsistencies in this shoe, bro. Y'all gonna be mad about that. But other than that, it's a good looking shoe. I mean, y'all know how 14s is. 23 and a Jumpman on the back. You know, we haven't got too many Jordans with the panels, so that's why I really was pushing for these. I still like them. You know, they actually starting to unfade a little bit. Unfade is crazy, but that mink oil worked though. So what I would recommend to y'all is get y'all some of this. I ordered this the other day because, you know, we already knew that these were coming out ashy based on the pictures all over the place, Instagram, Twitter. Y'all know. If you know, you know. But yeah, get you some of this, bro. This should help right here. This is mink oil. I got this off of Amazon for like $12. But yeah, bro, this works for all types of suede shoes. You know, anything of that sort. Leather, suede, it'll keep it conditioned and it'll give it a little bit of shine. On Amazon, bro, this costs $13. So get you some, and yeah, man, your shit won't look so ashy. They'll look a lot better. My 14s actually look a lot better than they first were. You know, so get you some mink oil for your shit, bro. And there's also a couple other shoes that need it, so get you some of this. Lock you in some of this. You're gonna need it. Like Black Cat 4s need them, Aqua 8s. There's a lot of ashy shoes. I don't even know why they doing us like that. Why are the shoes coming out ashy now all of a sudden? I have no clue. But yeah, we gotta reach those protocols and do what we gotta do. I guess we can't get like fresh shoes anymore that don't look like they've been worn, because straight up, these look like they was worn until I sprayed it on there. Like, that's crazy. Is this a new thing, a new generation thing, that shoes coming out looking used, bro? Why they doing us dirty like that? That's crazy. We did get the face docks, just like the Laker 4s. So I guess this is gonna be a thing now. I'm here for it though. I do like the face box, but y'all can still mix it up a little bit. Y'all don't have to do that for every upcoming shoe. Well, I guess y'all didn't do that on the what's it called? The Jordan 13 cherries. Y'all didn't do that on there, so it's all good. Yeah, we good. You know, face box every once in a while is okay. Bring back them face cards for us, bro, because that's what used to come in here, honestly. But hey, man, I'm grateful. It's good. I'm still happy to be here, and my collection is growing. I love 14s though, bro. I got these Jordans true to size, so just go with your sizes, bro. It's no need to change it up on these. Whatever, I know y'all got the Ferraris, so whatever you got the Ferraris in, just stick with it. These actually feel comfortable, bro. I will say that. These Ashy motherfuckers feel comfortable on foot. And yeah, man, I really expect for y'all to soak these up. I ain't gonna lie. Even though they're Ashy, I don't see these lasting very long. Y'all, you know how 14s are. They don't stay around long. So, hey, man, get them while you can. I mean, for what I know, if you go outside, they're still available. But if you expecting to get them online, I don't know. I see them drying up online. So you're gonna have to get out there, and hopefully it's not too late, and you can secure you some of these, because they fire, bro. Black and Carolina blue, I don't know. They just go crazy. They just go crazy together. These were a must cop to me. I wasn't gonna miss out on these. And y'all know how I feel about my metal laces on my 14s, bro. When I got in that mall, Champs didn't even ask for my ID or anything. You know how they do that for the raffle for the shoes, and they ask for your name on the list. They didn't ask me for a goddamn thing. I came up in there they was like, what size you need, bro? It's 235 in California right now, so I don't know. Y'all got all day. Are these gonna be on the shelves in a week? Are they gonna make it a week? Let me know in the comments. That's a great question. I need to know, because the way y'all talking about the ashiness, which is the valid point, y'all make it seem like y'all don't want them. I agree that they're ashy, but I still want them. So what y'all think? Is this a cop for y'all? Are y'all gonna go get them? Y'all gonna go get them, bro, because the price is not that steep, and the month of April is looking pretty dry. So I see these disintegrating. I can't lie. Make sure you grab one of these too, man. Suede brush and eraser, because you're gonna need the whole kit, man, because these is ashy, and you gonna need to get down and dirty and bring these motherfuckers back, because they giving us used looking shoes now, bro. So I mean, you gonna have to be your own critic if you want your shit to look good, because Jordan brand ain't giving a fuck no more. You know what I mean? But my shit's is looking better. They coming through. So make sure you get one of these. Make sure you get Mink oil. Make sure you get a Suede brush. Make sure you get an eraser. Make sure you get some of that water repellent protectant, because you need that too. I mean, if you just to protect it from water, you really shouldn't be wearing your sneakers in rain or shit like that. But for y'all that do, make sure it's protected. That's the least you can do. Anywho, that's all I got for y'all today. Let me know in the comments how it went in your city. Did you pick up the University 14s, and how'd it go? Was it smooth? Was your size gone? Did you get your size? Do you even want them? Let me know down low, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's your broski Moski, and we signing out.